We are used to thinking that building web applications is difficult and expensive. But imagine if you could build something as complex as Airbnb, Uber, Tinder, or Instagram only in a few weeks or even days, with no coding skills. Well, now you actually can. Zeroqode is a suite of no-code products that will help you launch your ideas fast and easy. Zeroqode templates, for instance, are fully functional, responsive web applications built without code. Simply choose a template that is the closest match to your idea and modify it without code to fit your needs. This way you can build your product up to 10 times faster and less costly. Everything in these templates can be modified by dragging and dropping, design, functionality, or database structure. Moreover, you can pick from hundreds of plugins for integrating additional services and features, or integrate your app with third-party APIs or databases. The magic behind all of it is Bubble, a turnkey visual programming solution hosted on Amazon Cloud, with all the boring maintenance tasks taken care of automatically. It's all coming as part of the Bubble subscription package. Bubble is easy to learn, even for a non-technical person. But if you need some help, just reach out to us at Zeroqode. Get started now and choose your template. Zeroqode. Building web applications has never been easier.